In the rapid evolution of today's manufacturing landscape, data serves as the cornerstone for achieving operational excellence. However, the challenge lies not in just gathering this vast array of data, but also in effectively managing and interpreting it amidst the complexities of daily operations. To address these challenges, Siemens and AWS have taken the next step in their long-standing collaboration to redefine how industrial customers optimize operations and transform their vast amounts of industrial data into strategic assets. This collaboration brings together Siemens' deep domain expertise in industrial automation and AWS's unparalleled cloud capabilities. Central to their efforts is the principle of data contextualization. Data contextualization is not merely about managing the influx of data. It's about elevating raw data into actionable insights by interpreting it within its specific operational context. By converting data management challenges into opportunities for competitive advantage, data contextualization becomes a pivotal strategy in the manufacturing sector. Additionally, AWS and Siemens are collaborating to add Siemens Insight Hub in AWS's Industrial Data Fabric. IDF facilitates best design practices for storage and easy accessibility of industrial data, with interoperability between AWS services and Siemens Insights Hub solutions. Details are planned to be released later this year. The addition of Siemens Insights Hub in Industrial Data Fabric solutions on AWS will empower manufacturers to unlock hidden insights, optimize processes, and drive innovation like never before. Today, Siemens' industrial expertise, combined with AWS's cloud prowess, deliver unparalleled benefits to manufacturing organizations to help reduce energy consumption, optimize operations, and enhance production performance at scale. Unlock the full potential of your operations data with the unparalleled collaboration between Siemens and AWS.